Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an automated testing framework with Selenium. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have Java installed on your machine. Next, download and install the Selenium WebDriver. Visit the Selenium official website to find the latest version of WebDriver. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to a directory on your system. Open your preferred integrated development environment, or IDE. Create a new Java project within your IDE. Add the Selenium WebDriver JAR files to your project's build path. Return to the Selenium website and download the appropriate browser driver, such as Chrome driver or Gecko driver. Ensure that the downloaded driver is compatible with your installed browser version. Place the browser driver executable in a known directory. Go back to your project and set the path to the browser driver in your code. Write a simple test case to launch a browser and open a website. Utilize the WebDriver API to interact with web elements on the page. Introduce assertions to validate the test outcomes. Create multiple test cases to cover different scenarios and functionalities. Organize your tests into packages to maintain structure. Consider using TestNG or JUnit to run your tests efficiently. Set up a build automation tool, like Maven or Gradle, to manage dependencies. Integrate your tests with continuous integration tools, such as Jenkins, for automatic testing. Document your framework to assist future users or team members. Finally, run your automated tests and observe the results for any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.